This is a Ford Mondeo from 1996, gasoline, and it looks like this. It has a sunroof. I think the kilometers are not working. That 156,000. 5-speed manual gearbox. It's shiny. It has a cassette player. Temperature. It has a small watch here. You can pull this forward. Yep. You can see outside there. Manual window. It's working. You have to rotate it. And voila. Ouch. Strange noise. So you pull it towards you to add the jet. It's not coming out of liquid. Ouch. So down wipes just once. Up wipes continuously. No, it pauses. Continuous fast. Radio, that's the volume. That's the second gear. That's the third gear. Free is mentioned here. Ale mi semmi. Hol jön a levegő? Az ablakhoz? Ah. To the feet and the window. Nothing. Up and down. Just forward. Barely moving. It's colder. Now it's warmer. Now it stopped. So because it's a manual gear, you have 3 pedals there. The left one is the clutch. That one. That's the brake, that's the gas, just in case somebody doesn't know it. So when you shift, you have to press the pedal. Now nothing is pressed. So first you press it, then you shift, then you release it. Now you don't need to press it, now just the gas. When you are slowing down, you should shift backwards. Nothing. First gear, clutch was pressed. Second gear, clutch is released, pressed again. When you brake, you also have to press the clutch, because otherwise the engine would stop. So here's this handle, you can open it and close it, and now this portion is, I think, higher. To the right is not working, to the left is working. And it's opened. Oh, antenna. Okay. Is this going forward? Okay. And that is manual. So this is working on the 4. It's not working on the 3, 2 and 1. The engine doesn't sound too good. Yeah. It's manual. 16 valves. Horsepower. Rojda van? Rust. So when you rev it up, it sounds good. When it's at idle, it doesn't sound good. Now it's doing it again. So fuses. But how you open it? There's a button somewhere.
This button.
Oh, it will be visible. So those are the fuses on this Ford Mondeo. Push it up. Steering wheel is adjustable, in, out, up and down. OBD port, Ford Mondeo 1996. It's this one, OBD. It has a connector. Push it in and pull it down. So it's there. Rear seat. Here is this thing. So pull it and the seat should go forward. So pull this and the seat goes forward. And it's this one. And that one is holding this. So to open the luggage compartment, press that in and you can lift it. If the engine is running, you cannot push that button. Ouch. So here is the spark plug. That's the connector. The spark plug is inside there, deep somewhere. Looks like that. And connect it back. This metal is hot, so don't touch it too much. So I remove a spark plug. Sparks are jumping everywhere. Here's another fuse. So that's on the front of the car. Here you have hooks and there that. Brake fluid, power steering fluid, radiator fluid, coolant, air filter, 12-volt battery, lambda in the exhaust, spark plugs inside, distributor, injection or carburetor, I'm not sure. So we're there inside. Windshield washer fluid. To open the hood, you have to pull this. To open the fuel door, you have to pull this. So it's down there on the floor. And it's opening this. open it once again. That should go in when he pulls it. Yes, it's going in. So in the end it's skipping. Now it's opening. And 12.5. Now start the engine. It went down to 10 volts. Now it's at 14. Okay. Let's try to measure amperage. It's on DCMs, ACMs, DCMs. Nem fér oda. Nem tudom köríteni. So this is from the driver's side. So when you turn the key, first the gasoline motor in the back will sound. There was a ting sound. Okay, now we have two lights there. It's removed from gear and let's turn it. Okay, we see. So that's a short press and release it. Short turn. So when you want to shift into reverse R, you have to lift this up. So pedal, lift it up and then reverse. So that's the first, and lift up and reverse, and it should go backward. Oops, I pulled the brake. Yes, it goes backwards. Now it's in neutral. Come on, stop. Yes, it's in neutral. Clutch. And it goes back. I'm just releasing the clutch. Slightly more gas. This old car I can stretch my legs, so they are straight like so. In the Renault Espace I sit somehow like this. There is no more space in the front, so since the engine is pushed forward you have more leg room here. In the Renault Espace, since the engine it's pushed back a little bit, then your legs are somehow like this. You cannot do this, only like this. That one is moving. Lights.